There it is, there's the nail head. So it's in a good spot to be repaired. As long as it's on the thread area, not on the sides, you could repair it. So let's get this thing out of here. You can see little bubbles coming up. There's a little slow leak. There we go, that was it. Alright, so this sounds a little counterintuitive, but we need to make this all bigger so we can get the patch in there. So if you're a little squeamish, look away. Alright, this is the patch kit that you can get at in the auto supply store. Take one out. Put it in your patch inserter. Yeah, I guess this would be a plug as opposed to a patch. A patch is it goes on the inside of the tire. This plug is going to go through the tire, so it's a plug, not a patch. So you get it about halfway through your inserter, and you lather it up with the universal cement. And you work it in the hole once it's all lathered up. It's going to be tight, so you have to kind of wrestle with it a little. Once it's in there about halfway, work your tool back out. Cut the excess flush with the outside of the tire. Okay, now you gotta fill it up with air, check for leaks, and I'll be right back. There it is. It's full of air, no leaks. I'm gonna throw it on the car, draw it around, and see what happens. But I'm pretty confident that it's not gonna leak. I've used these for over 15, 20 years on different cars, trucks. Never had an issue. But we'll still check to make sure it's okay before we'll let the missus drive it around. Specs call for 110 inch tires. That's what it's set at. Much better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification icon for the latest videos as they are released. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.